25 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Sunday, mostly sunny. Hot. Highs around 100. Light winds becoming west 15 to 20 miles. Winter heat warning in effect from 11 a.m. this morning. Monday, heat advisory in effect from 11 to 8 p.m. PVT Monday. In the mid-60s below 6,000 feet. Now, 15 miles an hour becoming wet.
I got one of those here, and it went right through my net.
Oh wow!
I went through it. Oh. Good luck, man.
Thanks. I'm just trying to deal with this thing. That's all.
Was it harvested or just been released?
Yeah. Looks like somebody caught it before.
Okay. Sunny, hot. Highs around 115. Areas of winds west 15 to 20 miles an hour becoming south in the afternoon. Gusts to 30 miles an hour. Now for the official night. Highs in the mid-70s at the beaches to the 70s on the inland and near higher coastal terrain.
That was just like that while we were talking.
Is that a helmet or a shark?
It's a leopard shark. Shit, I might tangle up with his leopard shark. I think we're gonna tangle leopard sharks.
Oh, we got the same one. No.
I don't think
You're
so.
over the top of my line.
Yeah, I don't know which way I am. Am I this way? Yeah, I don't know. He's swimming to me now, so.
Yeah.
But I definitely could feel you. My leopard shark swam toward you. Sorry about that.
You have a fish on too? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, so do I.
Yeah, I know. My leopard shark swam into yours.
Oh.
Like I felt it, you know.
Yeah. Whoop.
Oh, let go.
Broke.
Oh gosh. They're so strong.
I think mine's underneath yours now. No, I think mine's gone too.
Yeah, go ahead and see if you could reel it in and see if you could cut it loose or let it do something.
Well, here I just.
No, it's wrapped.
Yeah.
So yeah, you have to
It broke my.
So your line is wrapped. So you somehow.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can.
Just
You
reel
still
it
have
in.
a fish on?
Yeah, I try to tell you I got a leopard shark on. So try reeling your line in and cut it or unwrap it. Okay, just cut it. You're gonna, if this pulls, it's gonna hook you.
There you go, man.
Yeah, I'll get as soon as I get it. I'll make sure you get it back. So what happened was
No,
like,
I don't have anything to get back.
what? Here, pull forward a little bit because oh shit, I'm getting picked up on the other one now. Holy crap! What a mess. What a mess.
Where are you on my rudder?
No, I think I'm clear right now. No, I guess I am on your rudder. I'll come over there. I'll come over there. Somehow we got to figure this out. Yeah, come forward. No, you want to come. Yeah, our leopard shark swam into each other. It was crazy.
Yeah, both at the same time, huh?
Yeah, so I'm under your rudder or something. Flip your rudder down. There you go.
There you go. Can you?
No. Okay. Now put it back up. There we go. Good. You got it.
Got it. Okay, man.
Sorry about that. It's kind of weird how that happened. Leopard shark. Small one.
I see why you got that big net.
That's it. You know, it just makes it easy to deal with.
So how many of those you got this morning?
This is the second one I put on the boat, but I had one more. It fit through.
Yeah.
And I'm sure there's going to be more. So.
Well, they take off.
Yeah, they keep you busy. They kind of get to be a nuisance after a while, you know.
I got one down here about 5 years ago that had a tag on it. On the dorsal fin was a little, looked like a growth, but it was a tag.
Oh.
And so I took it off and belonged to, down there at, what's that, Scripps Institute.
Oh, wow.
Down in San Diego.
That's interesting.
So I sent them the information and called them, and they called me back and they said,
What did
listen, get a free t-shirt and a tour for turning that in. So
that's pretty cool.
So I went down there and they showed me behind the scenes and everything. So
that must have been
kind of fun.
Oh, totally. These things are such a pain to deal with.
Oh, I know.
You know, I don't want to leave the hook in its mouth. I want to get it out. Got the hook out. And hopefully...
Nice job. See how you just shoulder it and pull it out.
Yeah.
Well, I don't have a net, so I don't exactly have that same...
Well, so you could just bring it to the side of the boat half the time and just...
Good job, man.
Thanks.
Catching anything?
Yeah, sharks and halibut. It's a big ass leopard shark. No shit. I don't like to. I like to just get the hook out, and I don't want to break the hook off in its mouth. It's okay. You know, just go back to farming your fish. Farmer Boy Anthony. All I know is that you're good at farming fish. You're welcome. I'm just going to get the hook out of its mouth and he'll be a happy shark. He's trying to bite my boat.